Hi there, and welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. I'll be showing you how to create reusable blocks in AutoCAD, and how to use them to save time and increase efficiency in your drawings. First, let's talk about what blocks are. Blocks are collections of objects that can be grouped together and saved as a single entity. You can think of them as templates for commonly used elements in your drawings, such as furniture, doors, or windows. To create a block, start by selecting the objects you want to include in the block. Then, type block into the command line, and hit enter. You'll be prompted to specify a base point for the block, which is the point at which the block will be inserted into your drawing. Once you've specified the base point, you can name your block and save it for later use. To insert a block into your drawing, type insert into the command line, and hit enter. You'll be prompted to select the block you want to insert, and to specify the insertion point and scale. Once you've inserted the block, you can easily move or copy it as needed. And there you have it, a quick tutorial on creating and using blocks in AutoCAD. By using blocks, you can save time and increase efficiency in your drawings, so be sure to give them a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials. And also you can support me on Patreon.